Here is the slide of the lung and trachea. We are in the respiratory system. We do have only 2 slides. Slide number 1 is here. You can see the nice alveoli. This is your lung. So these are all alveoli. Okay. So what are the cells lining the alveoli? We will ask. Type 1 pneumocytes and type 2 pneumocytes. Type 1 pneumocytes are squamous cells, and for the exchange of the gases it is present here. And type 2 pneumocytes are the important cells which produce surfactant, that is type 2 pneumocytes. Along with that you will be having something called as dust cells. The dust cells are nothing but the macrophages which engulfs the foreign particles. So these are all the. What is alveolus? We will ask one question. What is alveolus? This is a structural and functional unit of the respiratory system. And next thing, what are the surface type 1, type 2 and all we have seen. Next is the trachea. Trachea is most important. Trachea, when you see the trachea, we will ask you what is the lining. That is the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Why there is, what is cilia? Cilia is a surface elevation from the underlying cytoplasm. So this is cilia. What is the actual role of cilia? Cilia prevent the dust particles. Okay, and it propels the dust particles. That is the action of the cilia. And here you will be having the pseudostratified. Why it is called pseudo? It looks like multiple layers, but it is in the same layer. Thick basement membrane. Can you see along with that some white color cells? That is your goblet cell. Why the goblet cell is white? It will not take up the stain. That's why it is white. Goblet cells and basement membrane. And lamina propria also fibroelastic, and submucosa also fibroelastic. Here you will be having some glands in this. And then you have the adventitia. So the cells present are number 1 ciliated columnar epithelium, goblet cells, something called as basal cells, accescent stem cells, and serous cells are also present, and enterochromaffin cells, enteroendocrine cells are also seen in the trachea. And what type of glands are these? These are all called seromucous glands. You could see that. These are all called seromucous glands. This is about the trachea. Ciliated columnar epithelium.